So people, this is Mr. James. Thank you for watching this short video. Pause it when you get a chance so you can read the screen. And this is only a 1-minute video, so let's get started. So we start off with the lead generation authority. Thank you for going to the site. That's the first project we work with. After that, we have the Traffic Handbook. That's the second project. Third is the Facebook traffic strategies. After that is social media marketing made simple. When we finish that, we go to Facebook Live Mastery. We finish that, we go to Instagram guides for beginners. We go through that, we finish the morning rituals. Start out right. And also we go to the webinars, start with the webinars training. And then we go to Zoom training after that, Zoom mastery. Then we go into the parts of overcoming obstacles and mental resiliency. And then we finish it off with getting older, anti-aging. Okay? Talk to you soon. See you on the inside. Here we go. Let's go.